welcome to StanfordiS video. So today we are going to learn the next topic, and the topic is, before we proceed, let's have a look on the current page and see. Please participate in group discussion because discussion is very important for speaking practice, and I hope you are excited to participate. If you are comfortable in any session, please join that session. If you are comfortable in free of cost session, then join at 9 o'clock every day at night. So this is your own channel, StanfordiS. Please subscribe this channel. Only your subscription is my motivation. If you subscribe, only then I'm going to help you a lot. Only then I'm going to make a lot of video on your soft skill training. And because of that only, you're going to practice and you're going to learn a lots of things, lots of topics. Only here, free of cost. This is your own channel. Please have a look on the first, on today's topic, sorry, not first, on today's topic is, before I explain, please read this sentence carefully. Can you please write few sentences by using you, your and who? This is a very easy task, Write one sentence with the help of you, or you can say using those three words, you, your and who. Use these three words in your sentences. Write three sentences like, you are a boy, something like that. Your book is mine. Who is this person? So like this, these were my sentences. You make your sentences on a piece of paper. Pause the video here and write on a piece of paper those sentences. Whatever is coming in your mind, please write it fast. I hope you wrote. Now my next question for you all, that is, can you please tell where we should use below words? Where should we use these words, you, your and who? Where? What is the criteria to use these three words? See, this is the very basic thing, and you know that we are starting from the basic level, so I am inserting these things here because basic is very important for every student. Many people use these words, but they don't know exact place, exact way of using these three words. So if you know, please tell me. Think for a minute and write, can you please, where we should use these below words. So where should we use these three words? Think fast. Pause the video, think, write on a piece of paper and then move forward. So now please have a look that where should we use you, your and who. Please pause the video and read with me. Please read with me. You. It used as a subject directly. We use you as a subject in any sentence. The first thing is subject plus verb plus object. In any sentence you can find over there subject, verb and object, minimum things. So we are going to use you as a subject and you alone, self-independent subject. You doesn't need any other word for its presentation. You can use directly like, you are my brother. Now here you is a subject. You is a subject. Now understand how are you going to use your. It is used with a noun. Whenever you are going to use your, you are going to use one noun, like your brother, your sister is a noun, your uncle, your aunt, your cow, your book is a noun, your Radha, so Radha is a noun, is my friend, your Radha is my friend. So here understand, whenever there is a difference between you and your. You, independent subject. Your, whenever you are going to use your, there should be a noun after your. Your brother, your sister, your cousin, your Radha, your Ram. Understand? So we are going to use your with a noun. Now third thing, very fantastic, who. We use who to make question. Whenever any person is asking about you, the answer of question that begin with who must be of personality being. So whenever anyone is asking who are you, it means he is going to ask about yourself. Who are you? I am a teacher. So understand what is going to happen. If in any question there is a who word, it means that person wants to know about the person, about the relation, about that living organism. You can say in biological term that who shows a living thing. Did you understand that? You independent subject, your is not an independent subject. It needs a noun with it. Your brother, your sister. Who, whenever you're asking who are you, who is your brother, it means you're going to ask about a person, you're going to about a relation, you're going to ask about a living being. Okay, now let's have a look on the exercise. So don't forget to answer in the comment section. Don't forget to answer. The comment section is your writing part, so don't forget to write it. Please make sentences by using you, your, and who. Use you, your, and who, and write in comment section at least 3 sentences. At night in group discussion also, in your presentation, I want more than 3 sentences. So make it and present it. That is your presentation for today. Next thing, imagine, that is a very interesting question for today's presentation. After 3 questions, after 3 sentences, I'm going to ask this question. I'm expecting this question from you. Please pause the video here and think about this and read it and think about it. Okay, pause the video. Let's read with me. It's before I proceed. Imagine that you can ask one question from one of their ancestors. Suppose that you can ask one question from your ancestor. Ancestor means a person in your family is your ancestor who is your grandfather's grandfather. Understand? Your grandfather's grandfather is your ancestor. Okay, family member who lived before them and are dead now. So those family members who were at your home, at your house before you, but now they are dead. So I'm talking about those people who were living in your house before you. Means ancestors means those people who were living before your grandfather, means your great grandfather, your great great grandfather, great great grandmother, great great grandmother's and great grandmother. So those people are called ancestors. So my 2 questions for you. Whom would you ask? Who is that person whom you would like to ask a question? Very first thing. Second thing, what would you ask? What do you want to ask? 2 tasks. First task for you in this video, that you are going to make 3 sentences using you, your, and who. Second homework for you all, that you're going to choose one ancestor from your family, from your generation, and you're going to ask one question. So you're going to tell me that question and what question you are going to ask. I hope you understood. So thank you for this video, and thank you for watching this video, and I hope you will be ready. Let's have a look on, this is now Hindi time. So let me explain a few things in Hindi. Let's come and explain समथिंग. सो यहाँ पे हिंदी वाला वर्जन स्टार्ट होता है हमारा. कुछ बच्चे जो 0 लेवल से पढ़ रहे हैं उनके लिए, तो यू, योर और होम में क्या डिफरेंस है वो समझे, उसके इस्तेमाल को समझे. यू जो होता है एक स्वतंत्र सब्जेक्ट की तरह इस्तेमाल होता है. जैसे कि अगर मैं कहूँ सब्जेक्ट की बात, तो सब्जेक्ट किसी भी सेंटेंस में पहले आता है, फिर वर्ब आता है, फिर ऑब्जेक्ट आता है. तो यू जो है एक आज़ाद है, एक आज़ाद. यू आर माई ब्रदर. तो अब देखो यहाँ पे यू जो है इंडिविजुअल है, सेपरेट मतलब आजाद स्वतंत्र सब्जेक्ट की तरह इस्तेमाल हुआ. अब योर की बात करते हैं, योर भी सब्जेक्ट की तरह इस्तेमाल होता है, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम क्या है, योर को अकेला इस्तेमाल नहीं कर सकते. योर को जब भी इस्तेमाल करेंगे किसी नाउन के साथ करेंगे. योर ब्रदर, योर सिस्टर, योर राम, योर मोहन. सो समथिंग योर के साथ क्या प्रॉब्लम है कि योर को एक नाउन चाहिए, तभी ये एज ए सब्जेक्ट काम करेगा, तभी ये काम करने आएगा, तभी आप इसको सेंटेंस में इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो. सेंटेंस में इस्तेमाल करना है तो योर के साथ एक नाउन देना पड़ेगा. अब आते हैं हु के पास. हु क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए करते हैं, ठीक है, पहली चीज़. और हु जब भी किसी क्वेश्चन में आएगा, कोई भी ऐसा क्वेश्चन जो हु के इस्तेमाल से बना हो, तो उसमें क्या है, किसी इंसान के बारे में पूछा जा रहा होता है, किसी रिश्ते के बारे में पूछा जा रहा होता है, किसी जिंदा चीज़ के बारे में पूछा जा रहा होता है. मतलब कोई जिंदा के बारे में पूछना है तो हु का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. तो ये बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट था जो मुझे लगा कि हिंदी में बता देना चाहिए, तो मैंने बता दिया. और उम्मीद करता हूँ आप 3 सेंटेंसेस तो लिख ही लोगे. अब ये एंसेस्टर वाला, ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग सा एक पहलू है, इंटरेस्टिंग सा पार्ट है लेसन नंबर 3 का. इसमें क्या करना है आपको, अपने एंसेस्टर मतलब कि अपने पूर्वज, मतलब आपके दादा से पहले के लोग जो हैं, जो अब नहीं हैं, जिनका इंतकाल हो गया, जिनकी मृत्यु हो गई, जो मर चुके हैं अब, ऐसे लोगों से हमें बात करनी है। तो इमेजिन करना है, इमेजिन मान लेना है, चलो सपोज दैट कि आपको ऐसी ताकत आ गई, ऐसा चमत्कार हुआ कि आपको ऐसी ताकत मिली कि आप किसी अपने पूर्वज से बात कर सकते हो। मतलब कि परदादा, परदादी, परदादा, पर नानी, मतलब बहुत सारे लोगों से बात कर सकते हो आप। तो किस एक इंसान से आप बात करना चाहोगे? पहला क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है होम वुड यू आस्क, किससे बात करना चाहोगे? दूसरा क्वेश्चन व्हाट वुड यू आस्क, क्या आप पूछना चाहोगे? तो ये दो सवाल हैं जिनका जवाब आपको आज के डिस्कशन में देना है, और क्यों करोगे ये तो मैं पूछूंगा ही, तो उसके लिए भी तैयार रहना, ठीक है? तो मिलते हैं आज के ग्रुप डिस्कशन में। थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय, सी यू एट 9। ग्रुप डिस्कशन में पार्टिसिपेट करो, सब्सक्राइब करो चैनल को, ये बहुत ज़रूरी है, और शेयर करो उन लोगों के साथ जो सच में सीखना चाहते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय।